Why not out of the universe? To understand why the universe has no outdoors, we must first understand the nature of the universe. 1. The universe itself is space, not inside anything. Generally, when we imagine the spread of something, we think it is spreading to a large place or in a container. For example, the balloon spreads in the air, but in the case of the universe, this is not the case. The universe itself is a combination of space and time, called Einstein's theory of relativity. The universe is not present in any other big place. If you say that the universe is out, you are actually asking, what is out of space? Since the concept of outside or inside depends on the space, there can be no place outside the place. In short, the universe does not surround this place, but it is itself, too. But restless, finite but unbounded. The easiest way to understand this concept is to consider a 2.5 example, surface of the Earth. Earth level is a limited space, it has a specific area. Nevertheless, it has no edge or out, it is unbounded or unbounded. If you keep walking in the same direction, you will never come to an edge, but will come back from where it started. According to astronomers, our trusted universe can be the same limited but restless. We can never reach the edge of it while inside, because it has no edge. How is the universe spreading if it is not out? The second question of your readers is quite natural. If the universe is not out, to whom is it spreading? The answer is that the universe is not spreading into anything, but rather spreading itself. 1. Spread of space, the expansion of space. The spread of the universe is not like an explosion where things are being thrown out of the center. This place is to spread the space itself. Take the example of balloons again to explain this, but in a slightly different way. Forget the air of the balloon and just consider its rubber surface an example of the universe. This level is a two-folded universe. Apply dots on the rubber surface that represents galaxies. Now, when you fill more air in the balloon, the rubber surface itself draws itself. The galaxies, spots, do not spread, but rather the space between them, the rubber level, spreads, which causes the spots away from each other. Exactly the same, these galaxies do not run away from each other, but the place between them is pulling itself. That is why there is no need for out to spread the universe, as the place itself is spreading from the inside, too. Not everything to spread, not everything expands. Another important point here is to remember, the spread of the universe does not have an effect on everything. You, the Earth, the solar system, and our galaxy do not spread. The reason for this is that these things are firmly connected to each other through gravity. The strength of gravity is much stronger than the space drawn, so it subdues it. The effect of spread is visible only between the objects that are not culturally connected, such as the galaxy clusters of two separate galaxies. Summary, conclusion. When your readers ask about the universe, tell them that according to modern science, is not the out of the universe because the universe itself is space. The concept of outside depends on the presence of space. The universe is not spreading into anything, but the space within it itself is pulling itself, which is causing galaxies to move away from each other. This spread is internal, not external. It is a concept that can be difficult to mind because our daily life is full of 3 dimensions and dimensions, but the universe is a more strange and wonderful place. What you think about it, tell me in comment. Subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, like it and get a share with friends. Support us by press the bell icon. Thank for watching.